What's up, guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading coming at you with today's video recap. We got about 9 minutes left to the market close, and wow, S&P 500 just got destroyed today after lunch, right, folks? I mean, even just in the last 10 minutes, this thing dropped about 30 handles just in 10 minutes. So, this is typically what's going to happen, folks, when we have crazy, wild, insane, heavy volatility. I know it's scary. I know it seems overwhelming, but what you really have to try to do is just pinch your nose and dive right into the deep end. Right? What you're seeing on the screen right now is a chart of today's price action on the S&P 500. If you trade Forex, your symbol is SPX 500. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES. If you trade stocks and options, your symbol is SPY. This green and red color band, folks, is our proprietary volume direction filter. I've shown you these videos day after day, week after week. Having the right chart makes all the difference in the world. And there's only two types of charts. There's the professional chart, which is what you're seeing right now, and there's the garbage chart, which is what most of you guys out there are using. Don't know how anybody can identify what a trend looks like. Don't know how anybody can identify a buy or a sell signal. Makes no sense to me, right? But getting back to the pro charts, guys, I want you to stare at this. Just really stare at this chart. I'm going to give you guys a pop quiz right now. Stare at this chart and tell me where you see the famous retracement pattern. Go ahead. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Okay, hopefully you were able to manage that. I really hope your eyes are gravitating towards this exact moment in time. You guys see this? Right? What is a retracement pattern? I'll rehash this for anyone that still has no idea what a retracement pattern looks like. Number one, I want to wait for the vol indicator to change a certain color, as it did today, from green into red. At this moment in time, I'm not going to do anything, but I want to start paying attention for a retracement pattern. And a retracement pattern, folks, is very simple, right? We want to wait for the market to retrace and come back to us, giving us a much better fill. I mean, that to me, that's the value and the power of retracements in general, right? We want to get much better fills. As opposed to, going short all the way down here. I want to wait for the market to come back up, right? Come all the way back up. It's got to be above the volume color band, and I need a matching color bar. You understand what I'm saying? Right here, the criteria that I'm looking for is true. So for me, there's no hesitation, right? When I see this retracement pattern show up, and folks, it shows up all the time, right? When I see this retracement pattern print on the chart, for me, there's no hesitation. If everything else looks good, bam! I'm going to think about opening up a short trade, and I'm going to be looking to place my stop loss 1 or 2 ticks above this trigger bar, and that's all she wrote as the S&P 500 got destroyed today for 85 points from top to bottom, right? That's about 350, maybe 360 potential ticks, ladies and gentlemen, and closer to 3,000 pips if you follow along in Forex. Just think about that. I don't know what Forex market is moving 3,000 pips a day other than the S&P and the NAS. That's why I love the indices on Forex, because the pip value is so much greater. But anyway, folks, so yeah, that'll do it for today's video recap. Kind of a interesting way to end the week, man. Right? We had a huge rally yesterday, huge sell-off today. Folks, volatility's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. This is a day trader's dream. It's a day trader's paradise. Charts don't lie. I hope all you guys who were using the vol this week absolutely killed it, and hope we can dominate again next week. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.